Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today when we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to enable app lock in Poco phone. Friends, you want to enable app lock in your Poco phone device, so how to enable it? Today guys I will show you, I will tell you guys. So friends, open your phone setting to enable app lock. After phone setting guys, we will search here guys app lock setting direct guys. As you can see, app lock setting is direct guys. We will enable. As you can see, my app lock is not set it, so first we will set up. So as you can see, change password type is tap here. Friends, you want to set password, pin and pattern. So guys, I will click on pattern option, and as you can see pattern guys, I will set get this pattern lock. Again guys, I will draw it. As you can see, next confirm. Not sign, you want to sign your account, so you can sign it. So friends, after 5 seconds, we will click on not now option, and this app lock will enable. Which app guys you want to lock, you can lock and you can unlock from here. Example, you want to lock guys your gallery. As you can see, phone setting guys you want to lock and unlock. I want to lock guys my Prime Video, Netflix, Google Maps, Drive file. So as you can see, this app will add it. As you can see, when I will draw pattern lock, so guys you can see this app has added in my lock. So friends, when I will use my file, as you can see I have this pattern. So guys, I will draw my app lock password to open my file. So like that guys, we can lock. And guys, you want to unlock, so guys again click on your app lock setting. Which app guys you don't want to use guys, you can unlock from here. YouTube guys, I will unlock. So friends, you can see when I will use YouTube without draw pattern, I can operate YouTube app guys. So like that guys, we can enable and guys we can lock and we can unlock apps in Poco phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to enable app lock and how to use it. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.